on, yeah?
Yeah. Hi.
I can't wait for Gunnar to bounce it on my face, break the GoPro on my face.
Let's cut it.
GG. Guys, can someone score and ref, please? Thank you. Thank you. Up, up, up. Fuck! Katakli mo ba like that? Ooh, that was in. That's tough angle. Nice one. Let's see. Yeah. The camera is weighing me down. Oh my days. Unlucky, unlucky. What's happening? I know, sorry. Side out. In. Yeah. I think it's like, huh? No, I was just too close. It was perfect, it was good, it was good. Okay, side out. Side out. Side out. Team, side out. Nice. Let's go. Nice side out. Nice side out. Actually, really heavy. Nice one. I'm sorry.
Huh? Yeah, we should do it.
What do we keep doing?
Huh? Good lesson.
One more. Up. Still on. Yeah? Ah, net touch. Net touch. My point. Lucky. It's gonna come to you, Essen. It's gonna come in. Yeah. Hey! Hey, let's talk about this. Relax, man, relax. Ooh, fucking ball! Where did that ball? Yeah, where did I? Yeah, sorry. Cut it out. He's been. Fuck! I should have moved. Bo.
It's over.
Nice pass. Nice, yeah. Nice. Oh. Nice. You got there so fucking quick, man. My point. Oh, damn!